Hello, my name is Diego, and welcome back to my channel. If you use Ethereum, you probably know how many airdrops happen every year. The new projects launch all the time, especially on Layer 2 networks, but keeping track of all the airdrops takes a lot of time and effort. Most people miss opportunities simply because they don't follow every platform, every update, or every whitelist. That's why I want to show you a platform that does this work for you. So guys, around this point, hear how the platform works. It's called Ethereum Drops Hub. Instead of searching for airdrops yourself, the platform automatically tracks Ethereum airdrop from the top Layer 2 networks and adds your wallet to priority whitelist. So you simply connect your wallet once and pay a small service fee. After that, the platform monitors verified ecosystems and keeps your wallet in line for upcoming airdrops. You don't need to do anything else. Ethereum Drop Hub works with very named networks, and it's also secure and already used by thousands of people. So, once your wallet is connected, everything runs in the background. My wallet is already connected, so now I will continue and show you how everything works inside the dashboard. So, we have entered the platform. Everything was very simple. As you can see, one of the airdrops at the platform set up for me has already arrived. All of this came from an airdrop the platform found for me. This is amazing. Let's withdraw the tokens now. We just need to wait a moment. And there it is. And here's the wallet notification. The transaction is completed successfully. Perfect. Now I know that tokens have arrived. Let's take a look what else is available here. This section shows all my airdrops. There is also an upcoming airdrops tab. Everything is clearly organized in one place. You can also check the full airdrop history. As you can see, the airdrop I just withdrew is listed here, along with my previous ones. And in the settings section, you can easily customize the platform to match your preferences. And the best part is that this platform only costs a few dollars to use. Guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.